Welcome to another vlog. So today I'm going to be making the ultimate peanut punch New Year's Eve edition. So stay tuned. Happy holidays. All right, let's jump into my ingredients. I'm using some organic natural peanuts. These are some salted, not so natural peanuts, some condensed milk, some peanut butter, vanilla flavoring, some white rum, dragon stout, and whatever stout you have available, you can use that brand, vanilla Supergen, and you can also use whatever vanilla milk you have, some Ovaltine. Now I'm gonna start by adding in my peanuts to the blender. Next, I'm going to be adding about 3 spoons of peanut butter. Now I'm adding the Ovaltine. Now I'm adding in the Supergen. And as I said, whatever vanilla flavored milk drink that you have access to, you can use. I'm adding in the Dragon Stout. Now I'm adding in just a little tip of white rum. Now I'm gonna add a little tip of vanilla flavoring. Adding in some condensed milk. And now I'm going to put this to blend and blend the peanuts. It's gonna be nutty, it's gonna be creamy, and it's gonna be thick. As I said, taste whatever you're making as you go along and make any additional adjustments that you need to make. If you need to add a little bit more liquid, you can go ahead and do just that. This is my ultimate New Year's Eve peanut punch. Happy holidays and all the best for the new year 2025. Cheers, enjoy. Thanks for watching.